Good morning, student of class 5th. Today we will study English literature, chapter number 4, rest part, chapter name The Return of the Lion. So, today, page number 52 we have to start today. Page number 52. Okay. So, actually, three sadhus, they have come to meet Shivaji's mother, Jijabai. Here, check in the figure given. They are touching the feet of Aga. Now, second sadhu. But at Varanasi, we came across a Brahmin boy who told us that your son Shivaji had gone to Agra and that you were ruling for him in his absence, Jijabai. What else did you hear about Shivaji? Second sadhu. Another day, we met a band of horsemen and they said that the Raja had been imprisoned by Aurangzeb. Jijabai, the lion will not stay long in that dirty den. What else did you hear? First sadhu. That's all we heard, Rani Sahiba. We wish we knew more. We spend most of our time at holy places only. Jijabai, absolutely true. Holy men have nothing to do with war and all such things that normal human beings like. Come, give me your blessing. I am dying to see my son. To the third sadhu, if you don't want to bless me, at least curse me. I cannot live without you, without my son. The sadhu falls at her feet, touching his face with her hands. She shouted, "It's my son, it's my son. My son has come back to me. Shivaji has come back. The Lord of Maharashtra has come back." Now, second sadhu has said to Mother Jijabai that actually at Varanasi, when they are at Varanasi, one Brahmin boy has said that in the absence of Shivaji's mother Jijabai is ruling. Okay, and actually Shivaji had gone to Agra for some work. So Jijabai said, "What do you know more about my son Shivaji?" And second sadhu said, No, actually we are just passing through, and there is a band of horsemen, and they are saying to us that Shivaji was imprisoned. By whom? By Aurangzeb. Jijabai said, Yes, it's right, but lion will not stay for more time. It means he said the Shivaji, he is what? He is lion, and he will not stay in den or prison more time. He will be out. First sadhu said, These things, that's all we hear. The news, what I had told you, only we know about Shivaji, these things, because we don't want to know more places, more information. Actually, we are just passing through where? Passing or going towards where? Towards the holy places. Jijabai said, Yes, absolutely right. Holy man means sadhu, priests, or any other persons are there. They don't have to worry about all the worldly things. They have to concentrate only on God. Like, not like us that we are just worrying about other things. Okay. Now he said, Yes, right. Mother said, Yes, right. So come, give your blessing. I am dying to see my son. And now Mother Jijabai requested to Sadhu that come, give me your blessing. I am just dying, my son. To the third sadhu he pointed, and if you don't want to bless me, at least curse me. Mother Jijabai pointed towards third sadhu and said, Give me some blessing, otherwise at least curse me. I cannot live without my son. I cannot live without my son. And now after saying, the sadhu falls at her feet. The third sadhu falls Mother Jijabai's feet and touching his face, etc. Now Mother Jijabai, she shouts, What? My son is back. My son means Shivaji. It means Shivaji was in the dress of Sadhu. And mother said, yes, yes, right. Mother said, right, my son is back, my lion, my Raja of Maharashtra has come back. Okay, up to page number 52 completed. 53 page number, rest part we will study tomorrow. Thanks.